It's built on corruption and must be demolished. That's the Bombay High Court's verdict on the Adarsh Housing Society that has effectively become a symbol of political and bureaucratic corruption. Apartments intended for war veterans were grabbed by politicians, defense officers and bureaucrats. Rules bent to build the society near a sensitive defense base and in complete violation of environmental norms.
Demolish Adarsh. The Bombay High Court ordering the scam-ridden 31-story Adarsh Housing Society to be razed to the ground, replete with violations and irregularities. The court even asked the centre and state government to consider taking criminal action against all ministers, politicians and bureaucrats involved.
I'm really very much happy. Since day one, I was fighting against the Adarsh scam. It should be demolished because Adarsh was nothing but a monument of political corruption in Maharashtra.
If anybody has violated the law, then action should be taken against them.
In 2010, the scam forced then Chief Minister Ashok Chauhan to resign after allegations hit the Congress that Chauhan got 3 flats in the names of his relatives in lieu of permissions he granted. The CBI even arrested 12 people except Ashok Chauhan. The Congress did not react officially today, but former MP Milind Deora tweeted saying, Adarsh verdict sends a strong message to bureaucrats and all political parties. The days of profiting from government land are long gone.
This is the infamous Adarsh Housing Society, which has been unoccupied for years now. The water supply and electricity has been cut off. However, bona fide flat owners say that the court order is unfair and they will appeal in the Supreme Court.
अशोक चौहान का और ये सरकार का जो लफड़ा निकला उसके अंदर आर्गेट को एक टारगेट बनाया। कांग्रेस सरकार ने क्या किया, अपना पाप छुपाने के लिए आदर्श को टारगेट बनाया। महाराष्ट्र सरकार की जमीन है तो महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने हमारे 30 करोड़ रुपया क्यों लिया? हमारा बांधकाम का 15 करोड़ रुपया गया। अभी 6 साल से हम लोग घर भाड़े पे रह रहे हैं, वो पैसा कौन भरेंगे? ऐसे तो यहाँ मंत्रालय के आजू बाजू में सब बिल्डिंग में कहीं फॉल्ट है। ऐसा तो आगे देखने को जाओ तो कपरेट में कहीं बिल्डिंग ऐसे अनऑथराइज्ड है, ऐसे कोई कैंपा कोला अनऑथराइज्ड है, उसको राहत आप देते हैं और आदर्श को गिराते हैं।
The Adarsh building in the heart of South Mumbai has always been an edifice which represented corruption and nepotism at the highest level. And with its demolition, the memories may all be wiped out. But for Ashok Chauhan, who was only recently promoted by the Congress, made an MP and also the state president of Maharashtra, it's only going to get tougher and tougher from here. With Ankita Sinha in Mumbai, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.